Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to retype the map for my Garmin Zumo XT. And that's the topographic map of Sweden I will retype to make it all the gravel roads and tractor roads more visible. And this video is dedicated actually to you guys out there that have been asking for a tutorial about this, because I made a Instagram post a week ago or so, and some of you guys just wanted to know how I did this, and this is especially working for the Swedish topographic map, but the principles actually work for other topographical maps and also City Navigator as well. But first I want to give credit to Lars Levén and also Mikael Resmark, two guys that have been adventure riding for a long time, and especially Mikael Resmark, who has been a navigator guru for years and been very active on the Swedish BMW forum for many years in how to set up navigators, mappings and everything like that. And he has a homepage. I will link to that below, because you need that link to get further in these instructions, and that's actually a tutorial in Swedish. But I will show you how it works here. And why do we do this? Even though Garmin has prepared the GPS for different type of maps, and they have a lot of them in the GPS or Navigator, but no one of them have highlighted the gravel roads or tractor roads out there. It's only the ordinary road network that are highlighted, and the gravel roads are slightly undertoned, so it's very difficult to see on the Navigator. And this is the case for all of the Garmin map types included in the Navigator. So what does these types do? Yeah, they highlight different colors, contrasts and the details on the maps. So the different type of maps that you have in the Navigator actually has a different look for different purposes, or just for the looks of your own preferences. But to get any use of it, we need to retype this to highlight the gravel roads and tractor roads, and that's more fun for adventure riding. So hang on, let us dig into this. That was nice. First of all, we need to plug in the Garmin XT, and this only works for the XT and not for the earlier models. That was actually easier to do this retyping of map, or actually installing a retyped map. So bear with that. This is for the XT. I don't know if it works for the XT2, but probably it does. The first thing we need to do if we use a Mac like I do is to download the Android file transfer. And with the Android file transfer you will get into the file system into the Navigator. Otherwise you won't be able to do that in a Mac computer. With a PC you will probably be able to get into the file system of your Navigator immediately. That was actually the case when I updated my former Navigators with no problem. So I struggled a bit before I understood that I needed this app actually. Alright, as you see, we are into the Navigator's file system here through the Android file transfer application. What we actually want to look for is in the files. In my Navigator you have a file that is called map, probably at yours as well. If you have downloaded maps like I have done with the Swedish topographic map, it's the version 6. If you have downloaded the map or bought the map on a SD card, you may have a less hassle with downloading the Android file transfer application and just use this SD card into a SD card reader for your computer and Mac, and maybe you could see all these files that you're looking for. What you're actually looking for is files that is called .gma, .img and .unl. These are the three files that you're actually looking for, and in my computer and in my Navigator, since I downloaded the map into the Navigator and don't bought me a SD card, which I recommend, buy the card if you have time. This is a document that I have downloaded from Mikael Resmark's homepage with instructions in Swedish. It basically says that I should do what I've done. I should connect the Garmin Zumo XT to the computer and then install the map Topo Sweden version 6 Pro at the Navigator, and also check that it works, of course. And then we look into the internal memory on the SD card or in the files in the Navigator of the type .img, .gma or the .unl. Alright, so here you can see what I have done. I have downloaded the files from that instruction or from the link that I have below and extracted the zip file into my computer. I called this file just Garmin XT backup map files or something like that, and a date, and then I took all these files that we find into the SD card or in the Zumo XT file system, and I just copied it and put it over here. So these up here is the original files from the Navigator, so I always could restore it. And then I also extracted the rest of the files. What I actually needed was to pull over the 1.8 gigabyte, or actually almost, file into the Zumo after I had renamed it and took away the .data to just said .img. And the other files, the UNL and the GMA files, they need to have the same name as the map file. That's the most important thing. Whatever they are named, they need to have the same name, because these are the licensed data files, the other two, and that will get everything to work. You also have a KMTF file extracted in this map. That one should be moved over to a file or map called themes, and then you find map, and then you have all these types that are already installed into this computer, and then you just pull over the HMR Zumo XT KMTF file, and this will make you be able to choose this retyped map in your setting system, where you choose what map type to use. So when you're ready with the files, you should have these three files in your Navigator or SD card under map, and as well under themes map you should also have this KMTF file as well from the downloads. Okay, so let us have a look into the Navigator. I can show you where we find this. You look for the map settings like this, and then you have something that is kartan or map themes. Push that one, and then I by default have the Garmin setting, and that one doesn't show the gravel road that very well. And then we have different names like Austerise, France, Slovensko, Polska, and whatever, Denmark, and so on. But you saw up here, there we have the HMR Zumo XT. That's the retyped one. You choose that, and then we will have magic going on here. You already see it right in front of you, don't you? All the gravel roads are very highlighted, even if I have a town centered here. So I will just pan to another area. You see, this is the difference. You see a lot of gravel roads everywhere, and this is so cool. I could show you how it looks if I go back to settings, kart tema, and we show like Garmin, save, and then back to the map again. You see what difference. This is original. It's very difficult to see the gravel roads. You don't see them that clearly that I did. Okay, so I changed back again. So you see, this is really great for the adventure riders out there. You see, you get all these gravel roads a lot more clear and visible on the map than you had before this modification and retype of mapping. This is also useful actually on the City Navigator map. If you don't use the topographic maps, let's just remove the topographic map. Let's deactivate the topographic map like that and have a look. You see, these gravel roads are really highlighted even in the City Navigator. So if I again in settings go to Garmin mode, you can immediately see what happened here. You can't even see the gravel roads or tractor roads at all. And the zoom level is 1.2 kilometers here, as the same as I had before. You don't see them at all, only main road and asphalt roads. So this is a huge difference, either if it's day mode or night mode. Right, so this is what we have to do when Garmin doesn't do the work for adventure rider that's or searching for the smaller road network on their navigators. I really like this navigator otherwise, so that's not the problem. The problem is that they don't help us that much, and I'm very grateful to have guys like Mikael and Lars Levén out there and others probably as well, but in this case these two guys that helps us out with this. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope I helped you to retype your maps for your Garmin Zumo XT. And see you out there, my ADV riding friends. Ciao.